I will show you how to prepare a official documentation using MS Excel. Here I am taking a subject. Just select the subjects in a format cell. Click on format button. Then now you can change the number quality from here, and you can change the font quantity from here. So just I am selecting here the italic bold, and you can also change here the font sizes or font names. Different type of fonts are available. So just I am clicking on Magento or Lucid Sans. You can change any font from this. So after that, select font size and just click on OK. So you will get a different font for these cells. So if you want to change the color, just go on format cells and click on whichever color want. So if I want to change for these numbers, for these cells, just click on format. So we can change the font name, font size, and just click on OK. So if I want to change for these are all numbers. So if I want to create a table for this content, I am selecting this highlighted, and this side and this side, 4 sides I am taking. Just click on OK. So you can get a box for this table. So just you want to change this font, change format, alignment, text angle. So I can change the text angle here. So now I am taking a straight text. So I want to top of the cell. Just click on the top. OK. Click on format cells. So I want to put a heading for this table. Just go format cells, click on merge cell. Here I am typing a mark sheet. So I want to change it to center. And then alignment, just put on center. Just OK. So you got this number. This name is center. So I want to change. I want to apply table for this table, this sheet also. Just took on outline. So already I got a border for this line. So if you want to fill a color, just click on color. So this is a format to in Excel to prepare official documentations, and if you are sending any reports for your officials. So just change the format, and different fonts and numbers types are available. In the numbers you can get the currencies, like in accounting symbols, data, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific decimal numbers. If you want to give a cell for the text, if you want to give arrange for the special characters or zip code or pin codes, phone numbers, and if you can also create a n number of customized number styles. 0.0 0.00